What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, man. You see that I just killed it now. The market is still gonna go further up. Just got the low of the GBP NZD, and yeah, it is what it is. It's a live account. Everybody who's been, maybe you don't. Um, so remember, this is account that I started, that I told you guys about the last time, and I'm still gonna push it. It's just that I have not been feeling okay, man. I've not been feeling okay. I had a small fever, and now I'm back. You see, it's still gonna go up. Still gonna go up. There's no two ways about it. Still gonna go up, and just that I exited early because of some commitments I have. But it is what it is, fam. It is what it is. Let's do this thing. Let's get the money. Let's get the bag. For those of you who've been emailing me, I'm gonna respond to your emails. I'm back, so I'm going to respond to your emails. I've just not been okay, and those and my students are continuing. God bless you all. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar.